Hey everyone, welcome back to the Steep. So in this short video, we're going to take a look at kiterunner. So if you're not familiar with it, kiterunner is a wonderful tool for enumerating and file discovery on APIs. So it's specifically something that you can leverage in your next API test. And the beautiful thing about it is it's pretty easy enough to get installed. You can simply wget one of the releases here underneath the asset note kiterunner release folder, or you can preferably, if you'd like, either git clone and build it directly here. So one thing that you'll note is it has been tested on the Arch platform. So for those of you who prefer Arch, yes, you're in luck this time around. So it should be a little bit more straightforward, and it's pre-built, so that should help you out if you prefer Arch versus a Debian platform. So, all right, enough of that. Once you do have it installed, one thing you're going to want to run is the word list and print out the available word lists for you. So in this case, these are all word lists that you can actually download and leverage with the tool, or better yet, you can actually run them directly from the cloud. So if you have internet connectivity, you don't even need to download these, which makes life a little bit more simple. So when we're ready, we can go ahead and fire this command off, and I'm going to just refresh the screen here so you can see it. In this case, I am hiding my target since it is a live target, but otherwise this would be your HTTPS address or your HTTP address, your full path there to the target. Scan is pretty self-explanatory. Kiterunner takes the KR instance. You won't, if it's in your path, you won't need to specify the /. I've only done that here simply because I haven't copied the link over into local bin at this point. I'm just running it directly out of my target home directory. The -a is that cloud notation that we're going to use to pass that list from the cloud. So I don't even have to download that word list. -q is just going to give us some quiet output. And then with respect to the actual command, I am removing the target, so you're probably not going to see too much output here, but I do want to show you what it would normally look like. So, and right around this line, scan depth, we would also have another line that says target, and then it would list out the full URL that we put in here. Now it's going to continue to kind of churn through, and I just wanted to leave it running here for a second or two so you could see it. But this is not a short affair, right? And what I mean by that is you're not going to be done in minutes, right? This is going to take sometimes hours, depending upon how fast your computing speed is and how fast your connection to the internet is. But you can throttle it with threads as well. So if you want to kick up some threads, you could certainly do that. But anyhow, I just thought I'd share that. Trying to keep this brief today. So enjoy yourselves. Happy hunting with kiterunner. And yeah, go fly, or in this case, go run a kite. All right, we'll talk to you next time. Thanks.